For toddler boys division, fight number 1, Inigo Miguel Subo of Mandaluyong TV Blue versus Cedric Sanchez of APSA Red. Fight number 2, Alexander Malyari of DC4 Blue versus Gabby Anliga of APMA Red. Fight number 3, Marco Sebastian of Mandaluyong TV Blue versus Ron Jacob Carpio of APMA Red. Fight number 4, Gonzalo Pablo of DC4 Blue versus North Trapse of RPD Red. Please proceed to the inspection area right now. Dito po sa stage. Fight number 7, Herbasi Hugo Pandubino of DPTC Blue versus Silas Jan Bungag of PPTC Red. Fight number 8, Richard J. Snowboy of PPTC Blue versus Joel Broomfield of RPD Victory Red. Fight number 9, PPTC Red. Fight number 8, Richard J. Snowboy of PPTC Blue versus Joel Brookfield of RPD Victory Red. Fight number 9, Jaden Alde of PPTC Blue versus Joaquin Brookfield of RPD Victory Red. Fight